Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video right here, I'm just about to reveal to you an easy and 100% free strategy to make money even as a beginner with CPA marketing right now. So walk with me right here through this video and I'm going to just simply show you how to do just that. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right there, both with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel right there. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I drop more cool and amazing videos that could help boost your income online. So cutting right to the chase and diving right ahead into today's video, you want to just simply first of all go on to creating an account on CPA Grip, click on register, brought to this page, fill out these basic details on all filled with the red asterisk signs, agree to the terms of service before getting your account created. You can then go on to log in into your account. Be brought to a page such as this by going on to this offer tools section. Select that, select my offers and be brought to this page. Make sure you go on to targeting the United States demographic to get audience from the United States, and you can just simply filter your offers based on payout. Select a cool sweepstake offer, which can be this one right here, which is giving out a $10,000 giveaway right now. You can also go on to scrolling through to check out for other cool offers that you can just simply leverage right here. But supposing I want to utilize this one right here, you can see that your leads need to come from the United States. They need to be using an Android device. They need to submit their email address or zip code. While going through this your unique affiliate link right here, and you just going to get paid $2.22 for every person that does that. So copy the link and create a simple landing page using the landing page builder site of your choice, or you may decide to go on to utilizing the link directly to convert that into a QR code. If you want to create a landing page right here, I have videos that show you how to do that. Come onto my channel OJ Marketing and just simply type in landing page in this search section right here. You'll be able to see videos right here I created for you that shows you how to create landing pages with Systemy.io, Webflow, Google Sites, Breezy.cloud, and lots more other cool websites out there. So once you actually do that right there, create a simple landing page and link that to your CPA marketing offer, you can actually copy the link to your landing page, head on to this QR-code-generator.com website and paste in that particular link right here. It's going to convert that link into a QR code. You can actually select the frame and go on to downloading the QR code for absolutely free. Once that has been downloaded on your device right now, all you need to do next of all is to actually head onto this platform called gphy.com. So if you do head onto this platform called the giphy.com, you can actually go on to getting cool and amazing gphies right here for free and downloading that for absolutely free right here. All you need to do is just simply search for any of these cool stuff and download right here. So once you do download the gphy right now, all I need to do next is to just simply go onto a new tab and come onto the platform called canva.com. If I do come onto Canva right here, I might actually just simply click on this video section. I'm just going to go on to selecting the portrait video right here or mobile video. If I select that right now, that is going to take me to a new page where I just simply need to go on to uploading that gphy I downloaded on my device. So if I do come right here to this section, go on to the upload section, click on upload file and select the gphy I actually downloaded. You can see this is one right here, this is another one. Just simply select that and upload that on this particular platform. So while that is actually being uploaded right there, you just need to go into selecting the one you want to utilize right now. So if I want to select this one right here, I could just simply utilize this right now. As you can see how cool this actually is. So right here, I'm just going to go on to making this background another color. So if I change this to something like this, you can see how cool that actually looks like. So I can just simply put in something like a text, and that text could have a heading right here, maybe something like scan code for free giveaway. And if I put in something like this right here, I'm just going to drag this to the top. Once this has actually been at the top right here, I'm just going to go on to uploading that QR code. Also go onto the image section. If this is a QR code, I'm just going to go on to reducing the size and putting that in this bottom section down below. So you can actually see how cool this actually looks like. Once you're done with this, maybe I'm just going to adjust this further to make this look quite better. And if I do fixing this as it is like now, I'm just going to click on share click on download and download this on my device. So once I download this as a video on my device right now, I can then go on to utilizing this to promote my CPA offers right here. So to do so, I'm going to utilize this platform called imgur.com. Imgur is absolutely an amazing website that if you do analyze with the similar web statistics, you will find that they get lots of traffic right here. This traffic, it gets about 102.2 million visits in the last 28 days. And if you do check out the country that visit this website the most, you can see right here that they are all top tier countries, and United States has the highest percentage of traffic to this website. That's why I'm actually promoting the United States offer. So all you need to do right now is to come onto this platform, because this platform doesn't actually accept you going on to inserting links right here when uploading some cool stuff like videos and the rest, because this is a cool social media platform out there like YouTube and others. So if you do click on new post right here after signing up to this platform, it's going to go on to loading up right here, bring you to this page. All I need to do is to just simply go on to clicking on this section right here that actually says choose photo and video. So I'm just going to select that particular video I edited on Canva and click on open, and you can see right here the video is actually being uploaded on this platform. So once the video has been uploaded right here, you can just simply give this a cool title, something like free giveaway for USA residents. So if you do put in something like this right now, the image will be uploaded any moment from now. You could go on to add in a simple description telling them to scan the code for a free giveaway. So I can just simply see right here, this is how cool it looks like. I can just simply put in something like scan QR code for free giveaway. So if you do put in a text like this, you also want to just simply go on to add in tags right here like money. So if I just add tags like money right here, you can see I could also go on to add in more tags related to this like make money. So if I do go on to typing in make money, you can see right here this actually has a lot of posts, and add a lot of tags that are actually related to this before going on to posting on this community. And since this platform gets lots and lots of engagement, about 102.2 million visits in the last 28 days, and most of its traffic come from the United States, you will be reaching lots of United States audience right here with this particular video right here. And you can use that to make some cool cards, because once people do see the video and go on to scanning this code and complete your offer, you're actually going to make some cool cash. So this is a simple strategy you can do even as a beginner right here today. And make sure you actually do go on to utilizing much more videos right there, and do this every single day to get the best out of your result. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.